So this is an exciting day, not just for you, but for all of us.
If somebody said, what is Megan at the end of the day? She is the fiercest friend you will ever know.
Megan could not be held back. She was a full participant, and she did not like the word no.
You can say no. What if they like her? I like this. Yeah.
John, all of Megan's qualities are present in your life. Her adventurous spirit, her confidence, her spunky attitude, but also her loving family and her supportive friends.
John, a man of integrity, a man of courage, who will do the right thing for him, and I know he will do the right thing for Megan.
John, I want to thank you for being a true friend to me over all these years and being there for me. He really is a fantastic person.
It's darn hard to let go. And it's also hard when you love your children so much to not do too much so they don't get hurt. And we let her go. And you know what? She turned into one hell of a woman of grace and beauty. I focused a lot on family, and I wanted to talk about the joining of two families and how special these families are.
And it's because of you that Megan has turned out so well. I have no doubt that you are better together.
And John, I couldn't be happier to call you a son-in-law, and I thank you very much for what you've done for Megan. And those that know Megan and John will be with them in this journey, sharing our love and our prayers for you, and we will do anything for you during that journey, forever together.
Always on my mind, always on my mind, always on my mind.
There's something very unique about what you do today. The first reading talked about creation, about how God created from nothing everything. And you know what? You're going to do the same thing today.
The fire inside is kindled hand.
So as powerful as that first reading was about God creating, He's joining you together and He's saying to you, Megan and John, do it again. And that's a beautiful gift. It's a beautiful gift because it isn't by chance that you're here. There's a relationship that you forged either by yourselves or together with every single one of them that's here.
You're always on my mind, always on my mind.
When life gets hard and you are pulled in different directions, I hope you can reach into your hearts and find this moment.
On past the stars, forever calling. Your beating heart, I love you always. You're always on my mind, always on my mind, always on my mind. You're always on my mind, always on my mind, always on my mind.
Megan and John, you two are the epitome of love, support, and unwavering commitment.
When the love you share shines so bright. I hope you will remember your commitment, your unconditional devotion, and the wondrous new love that knows no bounds.
You get me going, you keep me moving. You got me on my way with what you're doing. You get me going, a superhuman. And I want more of what you're doing. You get me going, you keep me moving. you're doing.